Claude Co-work for beginners. Okay, what if you could hire an AI that actually did the work? Just answered questions, opened your files, organized your folders, wrote your reports, ran on a schedule, without you touching anything. That's Claude Co-work. And it just went fully live for everyone. And I'm going to break down exactly what it does, why it's a massive deal, and how you can use it to run your business on autopilot. Let's talk about Claude Co-work, because this thing just changed the game. Here's the problem most business owners have. They're drowning in busy work, organizing files, pulling reports, formatting documents, adding the same thing over and over. You know the work. The stuff that takes hours but doesn't actually move the needle. The stuff you keep putting off because it's boring but someone has to do it. Till now, AI could only help you with that stuff by telling you how to do it. You'd ask Claude a question, it would give you an answer, and then you'd still have to go do the actual work yourself. That was the limit. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. While he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here making sure you never miss a single AI update that matters. Julian reads every comment, so drop one below and let him know you're here. Cowork kills that limit. It's what it actually does. You give it a goal. You say, here's my folder of files, here's what I want done, go. Claude goes and does it. Reads your files, edits them, creates new ones, opens apps, browses the web, moves between tools, and it comes back to you with a finished result. Not a draft for you to clean up, a done deliverable. And this just went generally available. That means it's out of preview. It works on macOS and Windows right now inside the Claude desktop app. Waitlist. No coding required. You just download the app and it's right there alongside chat and code. Here's where it gets really interesting. Let me tell you exactly what this thing can do. I'm going to show you what this looks like in the real world for people running businesses like the AI Profit Boardroom. File management. Imagine you've got a folder. Could be downloads, could be documents, could be a content archive, hundreds of files. Messy. Structure. Claude Co-work can scan that folder, figure out what's in it, create categories, rename files, sort everything, flag duplicates, and show you the plan before it touches a single file. And when you say go, it does all of it. Plus, that means I could point it at a full library of AI Profit Boardroom training materials, resources, video notes, PDFs, and it would sort and tag everything so members can find what they need instantly. It's a real use case. That's hours of work gone. Here's where I want to talk about the AI Profit Boardroom, because everything I just described, that's what we do in there, but at a deeper level. Cowork is a tool. Knowing how to deploy it strategically for your business is a completely different thing. In the AI Profit Boardroom, we break down exactly how to set up tools like Claude Co-work to get real results, automating your workflows, organizing your operations, getting time back every single week. If you want to learn how to use Claude Co-work to save hours and automate the stuff that's eating your time, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to do that. Link is in the comment and description. Again, report building is something every business owner hates. Pulling data from 5 different places and jamming it into a report. Cowork handles that. You give it a set of source files, you tell it the format you want, and it assembles a structured draft, synthesis, the layout, the organization. For the AI Profit Boardroom, I could say, here are member feedback files, weekly analytics exports, and engagement data. Build me a monthly report that shows what's working and what's not. It builds the report. Refine it. Third, scheduled tasks. This is the one that breaks people's brains. You can tell Claude Co-work to do something on a schedule. Every morning, check the analytics dashboard and pull the key numbers. Every Friday, drop them into the weekly report template. Every Monday, send a Slack digest of what happened last week. You define the schedule once. Claude handles it every single time. This is automation without needing to build automation. Zapier. When a code. You just tell it what you want and when. Let me talk about the big update that just dropped. April 9th, 2026. This is when Cowork went from research preview to fully generally available. And it came with a wave of new features. Analytics API. This means if you're running Claude Co-work across a team, you now have programmatic access to data about how it's being used, who's using it, what tasks it's running, how much it's costing you. You can actually manage this at scale. Open telemetry support. For anyone running enterprise-level operations, this is huge. It means Cowork plugs into your existing monitoring systems. You can watch exactly what it's doing in real time with your own observability tools. All-based access controls. This is for teams. You can now turn Cowork on for specific departments, restrict certain features for certain users, and control how each group uses it. So your content team gets access to the document tools. Your ops team gets access to file management. But sensitive data stays protected. That's enterprise-level control. Group spend limits. You can set budget caps per team. So you're not getting surprised at the end of the month. Zoom MCP connector. Claude Co-work can now integrate directly with your Zoom meetings and transcriptions. So you can have it analyze a meeting recording, extract action items, and drop them into a task list automatically. Tool connector controls. Granular controls over exactly which tools and integrations each user has access to. So you can fine-tune everything exactly how you want. Here's the one that got me the most excited. Computer use. Claude Co-work can now literally use your computer. It can open applications, navigate screens, click things, browse the web, without any setup. And it works now on both macOS and Windows for Pro and Max subscribers. And the dispatch feature. This means you can send Claude a task from your phone. You're not even at your computer. You're out, you're in a meeting, you're done for the day. You pull out your phone, you send Claude the task, and you come back to a finished result on your desktop. That is a digital employee. That is what we've been waiting for. Let me be real with you for a second. I know what some of you are thinking. It sounds amazing, but is it actually safe? Great question. It's how Anthropic handles this. Before Claude takes any significant action, it shows you the plan and waits for your approval. You can redirect it. You can change direction. You can stop it at any point. You choose which folders it can access. You're always in control. There was a security concern flagged earlier this year where researchers showed a prompt injection attack could theoretically trick Cowork into doing something bad if a malicious document was in the folder. Anthropic has acknowledged this, warned not to point Cowork at folders containing highly sensitive data. Use it on the right stuff. Don't throw your password manager at it. Be smart, but for the stuff you're actually going to use it for. Content management, report generation, data analysis, task scheduling. It's solid. It's getting better fast. Let me give you a practical example. Say you run a community, any kind of community. You've got feedback rolling in every week. Member questions, support tickets, content requests. Normally you're manually going through all of that. With Claude Co-work, you give it access to your feedback folder. You tell it every Sunday, scan all new submissions, categorize them by topic, flag the urgent ones, and draft a summary every single Sunday. And for you, that's what this unlocks. Or say you're building out training content. You've got source research in a folder. Articles, notes, PDFs, video transcripts. You tell Cowork, take all of this, find the key themes, and write me a structured module outline. Does it. You refine it, saves you hours. Say you're managing outreach. You've got a contacts folder, tracking spreadsheet, follow-up template. You tell Cowork, go through this list, identify who hasn't heard from us in 30 days, pull their info, and draft personalized follow-up messages using this template. It does it. This is not theoretical. This is the actual shift that's happening right now. AI is moving from something that helps you think to something that actually does the work. And the people who get ahead are the ones who learn how to use it now before everyone else catches up. Here's what I want you to take from this video. Claude Co-work is now generally available. Works on Mac and Windows. Technical skills needed. Can manage your files, build your reports, run on a schedule, use your computer, and take tasks from your phone. The April 9 update added analytics, observability, role controls, budget limits, and Zoom integration. Computer use is live in research preview for Pro and Max, and this is only getting more powerful. This is the moment to actually start using this stuff. Not in 3 months, when it's perfect. If you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Profit Boardroom. And how to automate your workflows with tools like Claude Co-work and scale your business with AI automation. Link is in the comments and description. And if you want free access to all the video notes, prompts, and a community of 68,000 members who are crushing it with AI, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Link is in the comments and description. You'll get everything from this video plus way more in there.